Do you ever step into a place and think, yeah, this belongs in a music video? That was me walking into FT Photo Studio's Metro 4 rain room for the first time with Kathleen Birner, aka Twitch Streamer King Kathy. This was a totally new room for both Kat and myself. We've done the cyberpunk thing and some high-end pinup portraits together, but this, completely different vibe. Rain room is exactly what it sounds like. A studio designed for you to shoot in the rain, but if it was indoors. You've got black tile and black walls, a park bench, a few props, and pre-installed RGB lights that make the whole space look like a neon-soaked water world. Plus, it's nice that the water was cold, which is a lifesaver for keeping models comfortable. We went into this without a fully fleshed concept, which can be exciting, but risky. I knew it would be a swimwear shoot, so Kat started off with short jean shorts and a bikini top before switching to just a swimsuit. I wanted to see how the rain interacted with her and the lighting and whether we would capture something bold, sexy, and cinematic. The RGB lighting instantly gave us that moody music video aesthetic. The rain, however, brought its own challenges, controlling where it fell, finding flattering poses, and dialing in the best angles. Light placement was critical. In the end, the water added a gorgeous natural texture to her wet hair and skin. Of course, the main draw here is the shower heads. You could add props like a chair or even the bathtub. But I also wanted to experiment, so I had Kat pose by the wall with some of the plant props just to see what we could create. And while I love working with color gels, it's nice that you can instantly change the RGB lighting or set a continuous tone at the push of a button. In the end, I walked away with a few cool portraits, and I added extra touches in the final edits to enhance the vibe so they felt alive due to the room's atmosphere. Kat loved them, which made me happy, as the whole shoot was collaborative from start to finish. But here's my honest takeaway. If you're going to use this room, you need a game plan. Have a theme, bring towels, and know your lighting strategy. Shooting from the hip will get you a couple of keepers, sure, but the magic's going to happen when you walk in with a solid vision. For me, I'll wait to book this space again until the right theme comes along. But as an experiment, it was totally worth trying. What do you think? Would you photograph here? Or if you want to be the model, would you pose in a setup like this? Should I revisit the rain room with a fully fleshed out concept next time? Or maybe you want to hire me to art direct or photograph your next photo shoot. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to sign up to the Brandon Barron newsletter, check out my work, and check out the blog at brandonbarron.com. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stay creative.